Hello, sweet friends. I hope this finds you all well and happy and that you're enjoying your summer so far. It's been a whirlwind of activity around here, and I just felt like I needed to take a little time to stop and smell the flowers. So, in the spirit of lazy summer days, I thought we could take a look at a few of my top 10 summer project faves. I hope y'all enjoy. There are so many things that I love about summer, but I have to say, I think my favorites are spending time with family and friends, time in my gardens, barbecues, and backyard fires. These activities bring me so much joy and offer a brief reprieve after long, hectic days. We are going to be going through a few of my top faves, and just remember that all of the links to full episodes will be listed in the description box for y'all. Being creative is a therapeutic outlet for me, but it's also my way of expressing myself in ways that can sometimes be difficult for me to verbally convey. I absolutely love sharing this part of who I am with y'all and hope that as we create together, I am somehow inspiring y'all to live your best creative lives. Today, we are going to take a look at some of my favorite projects that we have created together. And coming in at number 10 are these darling DIY jumbo jacks that we made last summer. This was such a fun, quick, easy project, and I love how much fun and playfulness they bring to my summer decor. And don't forget, y'all, I'll have the link to all the full episodes for these projects listed down in, yep, you guessed it, my description box. What would summer be without the hum of a honeybee? There is just something so iconic about bees and sunny summer days. I think that's why I loved this project so much. It signified the beginning of summer and so many of my favorite activities. I had a lot of fun with this project, and I especially enjoyed learning about honeybees and bee skeps, the history behind their many uses, and the lost art of handmade beehives. Coming in at number 8 is this darling piece that offers a glimpse into my absolute two most favorite hobbies, gardening and painting. Both are a therapeutic escape whenever I am feeling stressed, anxious, or blue. I really loved making this piece and how it is filled with all my little creative delights that add so much joy and color to my life. Y'all, this was a super fun episode. So if you missed this, don't forget that I will have the full episode linked down below in my description box for y'all. Do y'all remember this one? This was such a fun piece to create, and my favorite part of this unique creation was how easy it was to make. I enjoyed this throughout the entire summer and fall season last year, and I even left it out over the winter, which gave it this really gorgeous natural aging. It's definitely one of those pieces that I will enjoy year after year. Whether it adorns the garden, the shed, or sits perched up on a shelf, this will always be among one of my top faves. And again, if you would like to see the full episode, check the description box for the link to this video. Coming in at number 6 is this darling floral pocket board that challenged me to blend new techniques with old. I love to create greenery and floral pieces, and this project did not disappoint. The burlap flowers were something I had never tried before, and although they were a little time consuming, I loved the entire process. This project turned out so cute, and I already have plans to make a Christmas variation using this same process. One of the things that I also really loved about this project was that it allowed me to use up some scrap material. Like I had this cute burlap piece of fabric that sort of looked like a tea towel, like an old-fashioned tea towel, and I only had a really small piece of it left. So this was a great use for that super cute piece of fabric. And then I just had lots of little picks and stems of floral pieces that were also perfect for this project. So I did like that this project allowed me to just use up a lot of my scrap materials, a lot of those small pieces that you always wonder, what can I do with this? So if you have a bunch of those, this might be a good way to utilize a lot of your scraps. Just like bees, lemons seem to be such an iconic summer staple. So if you haven't guessed already, this is definitely going to be one of those iconic lemon-themed projects. I love how we took just a plain old Home Depot project round and turned it into a simple project with stunning results. This was definitely one of those projects that, although it had several steps, it was simply fun to create. It's perfect for all our backyard barbecues and comes in handy on my outdoor dining table for all the barbecue essentials. I have really enjoyed this fun lemon themed tray for my outdoor dining and know that I am going to love it for many more summers to come. And coming in fourth, y'all, is this super cute lemon themed wreath that I absolutely love. Creating this wreath gave me the opportunity to put my love of floral arranging to good use. I love the simplicity of this wreath, and I love how it lends a multifunctional piece to my decor arsenal. This wreath is the perfect size to use as a small wreath, or you can also use it as a candle ring. It makes the perfect size for a candle ring. So whether you're using it as a candle ring or a wreath, this piece will definitely add a lot of sophisticated style to your summer decor. So, if y'all have been with me for a while, you know that I love to create unique projects. And this piece was so much fun for me. We created this absolutely stunning art piece using drywall mud. Yep, I said drywall mud. Y'all, this was a blast. I truly had so much fun with this one. I love that we took something so ordinary, such as drywall mud, and created an extraordinary art piece with it. I truly did enjoy the entire creative process with this piece, and I am beyond impressed with our results. Who knew mud could make such beautiful art? If y'all missed this episode, go check it out. I'm going to have the full length episode in the description box for y'all, or linked in the description box for y'all. So, y'all, go put on your apron, have some fun playing in the mud. This project is a must try. And yes, adults can still play in the mud too. Isn't this so fun, y'all? When I was creating this, I was thinking to myself that we definitely have to try creating a fall variation of this. I think it would be really fun to create a pumpkin using the same technique. Coming in at two is this oh so easy canvas art piece we recently painted together. Now, this project, y'all, it may look difficult, but let me tell you, this was one of the easiest paintings I have ever done. The entire piece was literally created with a blending technique that was effortless in its execution. We simply blended two colors across the canvas and then let the magic happen. I love how the colors created gradients that took shape all on their own, and they created these really beautiful natural highlights and lowlights in the clouds and the water. If y'all are wanting to try painting, I highly recommend trying this technique. It is so beginner friendly and gives you awe-inspiring results. Y'all, this rock project that we did together is easily one of my favorite projects of 2024 so far. I absolutely love it, and I have so enjoyed it in my summer decor. One of the things that I think I love so much about this piece is that it is very unique yet understated. I also really love the natural color palette and how it plays off of all the colors of summer. This piece was definitely nature inspired, and I love how just the inspiration of nature brought the outdoor experience inside. It is so reminiscent, for me anyway, of walks along the beach or the lakeside, and is a pleasant reminder to take some time to enjoy all the beautiful moments of summer. Thank you all so much for being here today. It means so much to me that y'all take time out of your day to come and hang with me. And don't forget, y'all, that the links for all the full episodes of these projects will be in the description box for y'all. Thank you again, friends, so much for hanging with me today. I look forward to seeing y'all again next week. Until then, take care, and I'll see y'all soon.